Let's talk about how to get views from these top countries like Canada, USA, UK, Australia, you name it. Especially if you're a monetized channel, you want to start targeting audience from these top countries. Why? Because it's going to help you maximize your main potential as a monetized channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you or share with you four things that you can start implementing or you can do differently to stand a chance of attracting views from these top countries. Now, how is it possible that when you have views from places like USA, UK, Canada, and you compare the views and the earnings from these views with the one you get from these developing countries like Nigeria, Kenya, and other African countries, how is it that there is so much difference when it comes to the earnings? Yeah. So it's very simple. This is because advertisers in these top countries are willing to invest in their ads. We have big companies in these top countries who are consistently advertising their products, advertising their services, okay, and they pay a lot for their advertisement. And remember, as a creator, a huge part of your earnings comes from these ads payment. So you rely on these advertisers to make sure that you are really cashing out big time here on YouTube. And apart from that, people living in these top countries are more likely to watch ads because they are interested in purchasing things online. So people living in these top countries are more likely to watch an ad fully and even go ahead and purchase something from that ad if they are selling a product, or check out the services they are rendering if they are offering a services. Compared to third world countries or developing countries, the chances are very slim that someone will pay a huge amount of money to advertise anything online, or even patronize people that are advertising goods or services online. So you can see the differences. And this is why, and also the currency here in the top countries is higher when you convert it to developing countries' currencies. So a lot of factors contribute to why the views engagement you get from this part of the world, the top countries, gives you a better return in terms of your ads earning or your ads revenue. So now, in this video, I'm going to share with you four things that you can start doing to better your chances of getting views and having audience from these top countries. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela. I am the face behind this channel, and I am always happy to bring you updates, information, tips, hacks that will help you along your YouTube journey, and also help and share tips with you that will help you get monetized fast here on YouTube. So let's dive in. Number one on my list is your topics. The type of topics you create content around has to be appealing to the type of audience you are looking to get. Okay, so if you are constantly creating topics that people living in Nigeria, for example, are interested in, so it is very, very, very normal if the audience engaging in this content are coming mainly from Nigeria. So this is why the type of topics you create and the titles, your thumbnail, how you do these things matters a lot, because it's going to determine the type of people that are going to be drawn to that content and start watching it. So what you can do is to do your research, find out the type of topics people living abroad are interested in. Okay, you can also check out creators who are in these countries, channels that are from these top countries, type of content they create, how they do it, how they do their title, how their thumbnail look like. You can just do your research and understand the type of videos and topics that resonate with people living in these top countries like Canada, UK, and so on and so forth. Okay. So the second thing I want to share is your links. Okay. Do not share your links to your contact, especially if you are based in these developing countries and all your WhatsApp contacts are based there as well, all your family members are based there as well, and then you are sharing your links, your channel links, your video link, you are sharing it to these people. So automatically you are asking the YouTube's algorithm to be looking for people based in these regions. Okay, No harm, I don't mean no offense, but we are trying to see here how we are going to maximize our earnings here on YouTube. And targeting these top countries is just a major factor that contributes to how well you are cashing out here on YouTube. So let's be realistic. So if you are sharing your links with your friends and family that are not based in these top countries, you might be doing yourself a disservice. But on the other hand, if you have friends, family members who are based in USA, UK, of course, there is no harm in telling them to help you stream your playlist, in order for you to get that attention from that side of the world. Okay. So then, of course, the third thing on my list is your timing, the time in which you upload your videos on YouTube. Let's say, for example, if you are targeting people living in USA and you are constantly uploading videos on YouTube while these people are asleep. So that's not going to help you at all. So if you want to target people living in USA, you have to understand when they are awake, when they are most likely to be active on YouTube. All these things are things that you can find out, you can do your research on. Okay, so make sure you are uploading your videos during the time the people you are targeting are awake and active, not when they are sleeping. So for you to be able to utilize this effectively, you have to know your time zone and the time zone of the country you are trying to target, and then make sure you are posting at the right time. It may be when you are supposed to be sleeping, that is when you have to upload your video in order for you to actually target the people that you want to target. So, for example, if you are targeting people in UK and you are living in Nigeria, so the time difference is not that much. I think it's just 1 hour difference. So it's very easy for you to like make your videos and upload them at the right time that people are still active. But if you are targeting people in USA, you know that the time difference is quite huge. So you have to really find out and make sure that you are uploading your videos at the right time. So this is where you can also use the scheduling option to schedule your videos to go public once is the right time for you to make that public in the said country that you are hoping to target. Okay, so now the last tip on my list is adding a location to your video. While you are uploading your video, there is a way you can add location to that video. Now, it doesn't matter if you are based in Nigeria, you can be based in Nigeria and upload your video and add your location as USA or UK. So this also will help the YouTube algorithm try to, target people in this country as well. So that's that. So perhaps I'll be making another video to show you step by step how you can add this location to your video to better your chances of getting views from these top countries. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something from this video, kindly like, comment, and share. And of course, let me know in the comment section if there is any other thing you are doing to get views from these top country. And if you have any questions at all, also drop it in the comment section and I will be very happy to get back to you with the answers. Thank you for watching and bye bye for now. Do not forget to subscribe.